Counselor Hack, Counselor Al, Director's speech. Thank you so much for coming to Poteet Theater. Please enjoy the show. Give them all your energy. They are excited to do this for you.
Oh, the theater, the theater. And in this case, we are at the Poteet Theater, which is in the St. Luke's facility, within the St. Luke's Methodist Church facility, and you are.
My name's Colin Androlanis, and I'm directing The Secret Garden.
Okay, and well, tell us a little bit about Poteet Theater, what your mission is, what kids you work with.
Yes, Poteet Theater is a mission of St. Luke's Methodist Church.
Okay.
I'm a guest director here, so don't quote me on the history, but It's been in the works for many decades, named after Cindy Petite, who was a member here. And they turned an old youth room into a theater because it was her passion, and they use it as an outreach to the community. So it's open to any and everyone to come audition. So The Secret Garden has about 10 kids involved and about 30 adults.
Oh, wow.
So it's a mixture of ages, and then everyone behind the scenes, of course, is all ages. So we have about 65, 70 people in total working on this production.
So you don't have to be a congregant to be able to participate.
No, I'm not a congregant here. I just guest direct, and most of our actors are just visitors. So it's just a mission of the church to reach out to the community.
Okay, now you have professional gravitas. So this is what you do. So a little bit about your background and your wife's background.
Okay. We both went to college at UCO, which I know
my
you're an
alma mater. Yes.
So we have that Bronco connection. I got a degree in theater education. She got a degree in musical theater, and then we teamed up and got married and moved to New York. And I taught junior high theater for 8 years in New York City, 4 years back here in Oklahoma City. She performed on Broadway and national tours, international tours, and then the big COVID shutdown changed everyone's life. And we moved home to be close to family and set down roots here. And now we both teach at UCO, back in our home departments. I'm in the theater ed department. She's in the musical theater department.
That's just wonderful. And sometimes it takes a trauma to bring you back
home. That's right.
So, So tell us a little bit, how do you decide what productions you're going to put on? And of course, I have a real affinity for The Secret Garden.
That's why I reached out to you. I just had a feeling you would. I wanted you to come see the show. I didn't expect you to come do promo for us, so we're so thankful. We have a great producer here, artistic director named Logan Fish. He kind of talks to the directors and says, what shows are you passionate about? I always tend to lean towards kind of darker things. That's just, I don't know why I like it.
It's just how you roll.
It's just how I roll. I did Into the Woods. I did Hunchback of Notre Dame here. So I like dark.
I see Les Mis. I see some images from that. And the kids do those?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's just kind of whatever the director.
So what age spectrum do you work with?
Most shows are open to about 10-year-olds and up. Some shows invite younger kids, but this show, I think our youngest cast member is 10.
Okay. Wow.
Yes.
That's really wonderful. So how long does it take to put together and put on a production?
Well, the actors rehearse for about 6 weeks, but myself and the design team, we start months before auditions, planning the concept and the visuals and how it all fits together to create one unified world, kind of.
So this isn't just a slap it together last minute kind of thing. This is lots of forethought.
Yes.
And are kids involved in every aspect of its production, or just the onstage component?
It's mostly the onstage component. I think sometimes the child of a worker will tag along and paint a set or something, but usually the adults handle all the construction and sewing things.
Well, do you mind if we kind of take a look around? We snoop a little bit behind the scenes and maybe snag an actor or actress of sorts and visit with them a little bit? Because this is just one of the wonderful things about this neighborhood, this community. I just walked up here and I will be walking back again. You think I could snag a couple of free tickets?
Oh, absolutely. We will hook you up. Just let us know. You and Stuart both. Let us
know. And please tell us, when will this be available, open to the public, and how do they get tickets?
Yes, we open this Friday. Friday is almost sold out.
Okay.
So the 10th, 11th, and 12th, we have 2 shows on Saturday. Now I know that's OU Texas, so that show has some tickets available. So if
Okay.
you're not an OU Texas person.
And what time are the productions?
So our evening shows are at 7 p.m. So
Okay.
Friday at 7 p.m., Saturday at 2 and 7,
Okay.
and then Sunday at 2,
At 2.
and then the
Okay.
following weekend, rinse and repeat. Same.
Oh
same
wow!
thing.
So
We have
there
2
are a
weekends.
lot of opportunities
Yes.
for people
Yes.
to snag some tickets. You know, I think a wonderful, wonderful way to get a child and bring them here and expose them to the theater. And I'd bring Danny, but she's a little young,
Little
so
young.
she
Yes.
may not appreciate all of the nuances
Yes.
of the theater. I can't thank you enough for extending this
Thank you.
invitation. Colin just is a follower who reached out to the channel, and we are always more than happy to shine a spotlight on wonderful endeavors
Sure.
like this. Thank you
Thank
so
you so much. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Yes, oh, I'm sure we will.
Another sister named Miss Lily. She's a sweet, pretty thing. He'd walk the world o'er to get her the blade of grass that she wanted. No, I thought she'd marry him, won't marry him, she did.